So one of the things that I really hate about traditional window screens is the frame material. So traditional screens are made up of painted aluminum. Number one, you can see from this example, this came off of an existing screen. You can see that they scratch and dent really easy. This is actually a roll form screen. And as you can see, what this is it's flat aluminum, which is roughly the same thickness as a pop can, and they roll it to create this shape. Painted aluminum is not something that really belongs on a modern window. The fact that, especially something like a roll form screen is made to be disposable. They're typically found on lower end windows, and the window manufacturers aren't concerned about whether or not your screen lasts. We expect our windows to last a lifetime. Why do we have different expectations of the window screens?